Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that Christmas Day did not come with a lot of green. Rather, the market saw a lot of outflow of cash, and that's why most of the altcoins are down quite a significant amount. Just in the past couple of hours, there was a flash crash, especially on the Bitcoin's end, and it lost the support at 98,000 and now is consolidating close to 95,000. As long as we're able to hold above 94,000, there is a lot of room for growth and recovery. The trading volume is making a recovery, and you can see that Dogecoin lost the support close to 32 cents. Dogecoin's 32% crash can only be recovered by whales at this point. El Salvador's Bitcoin buying spree continues on Christmas Day. Russian companies increasingly using Bitcoin amid the sanctions as they want to ensure that they're able to have a stable form of payment, and the TD presented a buy signal on Bitcoin hourly chart, anticipating a price rebound very soon. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. It will just help you stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help to interact with them, push the video out to more people. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profits. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the way the market is moving. Now you can see for a short period of time, Doge was able to go above the price of 32 cents and actually have this single push, which was from a lot of whales buying in a really short time, and put the price all the way to 33 cents. It stayed there from the 24th all the way until 26th, you can say, and after that we were able to see a little bit of a pullback as Christmas rolled along. Let me tell you one thing, the reason this happened is a lot of people maybe decided to take profit as they need money for Christmas and their family. So that would be one of the easiest way to be able to predict this. But other than that, if you want to talk about big financial firms right now, a lot of them are having Christmas holidays, especially the ones which are holding Bitcoin. And that's why if there is a strong sell-off, there won't be MicroStrategy that might be buying back as strongly. And another thing is the SEC approved the Bitcoin ETF serve massive inflow, and BlackRock leads with 54 billion. Trump boost price with pro-crypto policies. So you need to understand the year is coming to an end very soon. By the end of January, Trump will be in office. As soon as that inauguration is going to happen, there will be a lot of money that will be flowing into the crypto market, as a lot of people are anticipating the market to do extremely well. So this could be your perfect opportunity to be able to make a good buy and DCA into your favorite coin. Dogecoin's 32% crash. Dogecoin struggles to recover. With the price at 32 cents after 32% crash, the support level is crucial for the turnaround. The whale activity starts to spike with 9,400 transactions exceeding 100,000, providing critical support amid the declining retail investors or interest. Now you need to understand, every time the retail investors have a little bit of a panic moment when any altcoin or the whole crypto market, it's usually the perfect time for a lot of big whales to actually buy back, and then they will be pushing up the price to ensure that the retail investors get FOMO back in, and that's how the market cycle every single year works. And minimal inflow and neutral CMF indicators suggest a caution investor sentiment. Doge needs sustained buying pressure to regain the momentum, and one of the sustained thing that, let's just say, El Salvador is doing is adding another coin to its treasury on Christmas Day, boosting its reserves at 6,000 Bitcoin, now valued at cooling nearly 600 million. So that should give you perspective why this country is trying extremely hard to be able to increase their financial gains by betting on something like crypto, which is definitely going to do better for them over time. Now we did talk about how the financial ministers and stuff have been talking about how Russia is using crypto for their international trades. Now Russian companies are also doing something similar. They're using Bitcoin amid the sanctions, because the Russian government is trying to put a lot of sanctions. They're trying to stop as much possibility of crypto being mined and stuff, but at the same time the companies want to ensure that they're able to make profit, and if anything goes wrong, they still have holding of their cryptocurrency. And they presented a buy signal on the Bitcoin hourly chart. So we might be seeing the recovery that a lot of people are waiting for. Just to give you perspective, you can see it was a very short period of time where Bitcoin was able to, fall back so quickly. And right now it's actually trying extremely hard to try to recover. What does this mean? Well, if the market becomes very volatile before the end of the year, there is a very high chance that we might be breaking above 100K and actually staying there. But right now we did get rejected there, and there is definitely a lot of room for the market to stay in a consolidation phase. The open interest for Doge dropped another 6%, now sitting at 1.6 million, and for Bitcoin it's something similar, sitting close to 30 billion as more and more people are willing to wait it out. And the long to the short ratio for Bitcoin is also doing extremely well, sitting close to 57% for the buy traders, and over 33,000 Bitcoin has been sent to exchanges over the past week, valued at about 3 billion. Let me tell you one thing, every time there is some sort of money or Bitcoin or any crypto that's been sent to exchanges, it's usually to trade hands. That means sell the crypto and buy freight currency. Now, if that's happening, that's a lot of money that's being thrown into the crypto market. And if Bitcoin's being sold, or that much is being sold, there is definitely a lot of room for the price to come down a little bit. Now, on December 23rd, more than 7 billion in Bitcoin profits were realized. And that should give you perspective what I was trying to say. A lot of people are taking profits to be able to use that money for Christmas, and nothing wrong with that. I mean, over time in next year there will be a lot of money that will actually flow back through. The most significant support for Bitcoin is 97,000, where 1.5 million wallets bought or around 1.5 million Bitcoin. So there is definitely a lot of money that's been held around this price zone, and that's why every time we fall under, we do see an extremely volatile market. Now, Russia is using Bitcoin in foreign trade. This is what I was talking about. So that's why the government is doing that. So obviously the companies in the country are going to do something similar. And Binance Bitcoin reserve plummets while Bitcoin market gains. So the Bitcoin market cap to reach new heights, there is a lot of Binance reserves which are coming to a slowdown, and every time this happens there is a lot of selling that happens, so you need to be a little cautious. And Dogecoin whales acquired 270 million Dogecoin in the last 24 hours, and the US government workers must brace for a wrath of Doge, because Doge Department of Government Efficiency, soon as they come into power, which will be probably at the start of February, there will be a lot of job cutting that will definitely take place. And Golden Cross signal Trump's crypto move spark an altcoin season hope. There is definitely a lot of hope for the altcoin season, and there is definitely a lot of things that will be happening soon as Trump comes into power. But other than that, you guys just need to be a little patient. We got a long way to go. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.